Here's another one from an email. I document it. So this is how long, this is just to show a timeline of the harassment. In many cases, when I try to record it, they stop doing it immediately because someone has Pegasus access and they know the moment I start recording, they'll stop doing it because that's a video documentation. So this is what I recorded. So that's coming from over David Avenue behind 411 on Eardley. That L sound comes from the alleyway. And this is the type of bullshit they do all fucking day. I used to think it was L, but it's Pigeon. This is what radicalized extremism does with addicted terrorists in your community. There's no fucking L in the middle of the day. There's a fucking perp doing it. See the timing on it? It's pre-recorded. That's what organized domestic terrorism does in your community. You got crazed lunatics that'll go out there and do bullshit like that all day long.